Dealing with long documents and repetitive tasks can slow you down. But what if you had an AI-powered assistant to streamline your PDF workflow? With Foxit PDF Editor's AI Assistant, you can automate tasks, improve accuracy, and work more efficiently. You'll notice 20 free credits available for AI usage. To get more, click the Buy Now button. Once subscribed, hover over the credits to view your remaining balance. Hover over the eye icon to get a tour and learn more about AI Assistant's features. Let's take a look at some of the powerful features in AI Assistant. Click Summarize the document and watch as a summary is generated. Perfect for meeting notes or long reports. Want the summary in another language? Click the More Tools button in the chat box and click the icon for Chat Language Settings. Choose your desired output language. If you have specific questions about the document, simply type them into the chat box. AI Assistant will analyze the content and provide answers. Need more details on a specific term or section? Choose Define and Clarify. Highlight the term or sentence, and the definition will appear in the chat box. I can copy it or add it as a comment to the PDF. Need to translate the whole document? Easy. The translated document will open right in the chat. To improve the writing in your document, choose Enhance Writing. Select the text you want to enhance, choose a tone and length, and submit. I'll copy the output and use PDF commands to quickly make the edit. There are a ton of different PDF commands, like navigating the document simply by typing the command in the chat box. With the AI Assistant in Foxit PDF Editor, tasks that used to take hours now take minutes. You now have the tools to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.